there's a sign right across the street, big huge sign that says Virginia this way, Tennessee that way. Pretty cool. Alright, Virginia's for Grubbers, here we are. Today we have a special edition. We are in Bristol, Virginia, which is literally probably the most south point of Virginia you can get to the point where the restaurant I'm at today, literally across the street, is Tennessee, and where I'm at is Virginia. So you go literally walk across the street, you're in Tennessee. Right now, Virginia, the south of Virginia. When we started Virginia's for Grubbers, I made sure that I let everybody know that we're going to highlight food and beverage content over the entire state of Virginia. And even though we do a lot of content in Northern Virginia because there's a lot more restaurants, a lot more going on, we're definitely going to highlight Southern Virginia. So here we are, Southern Virginia, Bristol, Virginia. Today we are at the Bristol Hotel Rooftop Bar. It's called Lumac Rooftop Bar. So they have a special old fashioned on the menu. It's a honey vanilla old fashioned. I asked her which one was better, if I get a regular one, should I get the honey one? She was like, it depends. If you want sweeter, you go with the honey. If you don't want sweet, whatever. So I got the honey one, but let's just get right into it. So here we go. Again, if this is your first time watching, we rate the old fashions from 0 to 10 off of 4 things. 0 to 3 on appearance, 0 to 3 on first sip, 0 to 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance of the restaurant. I'm gonna go backwards. We're gonna start with the overall ambiance of the restaurant. First, it's a full 1, it's a rooftop. It's the only rooftop bar that you can come to in Bristol. Plus, I'm a huge fan of rooftop bars, so there's that. So we're starting off with a 1. All right, as far as appearance goes, again, if you watch these, you know I like a single ice cube. We don't have the single ice cube. I like a big glass. It's a very small glass. They use a regular cherry instead of a Luxardo cherry. So not the best as far as appearance is concerned. I'm gonna go 1.9 on appearance. First sip. Okay, solid. Again, she said it was gonna be sweet. It is sweet. You can definitely taste the sweetness of it. I'm gonna go 2.2 first sip. Then we'll get into overall. All right, it's consistent. I'm gonna go 2.3 overall taste. Again, we do a lot of these in Northern Virginia, not too many in Southern Virginia. If you have any recommendations for Southern Virginia, please hit us in the comments. Let us know where we should go. This place is amazing. Again, it's the only rooftop in Bristol. But I'm really looking for like hidden gems. So if you guys know any spots that are like hidden gems that have really good cocktails, good selection, please leave a comment below. But yeah, Bristol, Virginia, honey vanilla old fashioned, Lumac Rooftop Bar, Bristol Hotel. Cheers, guys.